All right, boys, this is gonna be a bit of a different video today, but we got, whenever we pull out of this right here, you see these people hauling it right down this hill coming from the high school up here. So all that over there is gonna get destroyed by this Shindaiwa. So good opportunity to do a little video on it. This is our 251 top handle. That unit, it comes with either and this is what you need. You need this top handle chainsaw to go along with that big nasty right there. That's your IS 6200 cat diesel right there. 48 horse cat. Anyways, turbo, 72-inch deck. The biggest and baddest. 251 top handle. It'll come in a 14, which is this, or it'll have a 12-inch bar on it. 25cc powerhouse right in your hand. It's about 5.2 pounds. So this is the lightest top handle chainsaw in the world, or in North America, right here, right? So let's see, let's get this bad boy primed. Now it's cold. We ain't started her yet. I'm gonna get my chain or my choke right here. Right there, clicks up. And some people get this messed up, man. Whenever you're cranking these things and you hear that thing pop, and my buddy Chris, show him that's Chris. He's a master certified tech. He's dialed in. So when you hear that thing pop, turn the choke off or you're gonna flood that MF, you know? That was your pop right there. Well, that was the pop. Anyways. See, look, here's the deal. I'm a salesman, I ain't no arborist, all right? I ain't no mechanic either, you know what I mean? So, there we go. Now we had one of our customers, he ported this thing and that thing was sick. Porting's whenever you just make the air intake and the exhaust, you know, bigger, more power. Definitely voids a warranty. So let's get some cutting on this thing. So, but you see that, you know, whenever we're coming, if you want to show them, you're pulling out right here, looking to the left, you can't see a dang thing, right? So we're gonna get all that crap out of the way. So now these ain't no bigger than this, but it's a good opportunity to show the unit. So, oh yeah, here we go. Showing them trees. We're gonna get all that. You ready? Plenty of power, and as you can see, you can really extend. So I mean, if you're 100 foot up in a tree or whatever, you ain't got, you're here, you know. So now I ain't no arborist, so I probably should have cut it on the other side, but get that out of the way. All right, here comes big boy. Nice. I mean, that thing's got some power to it, you know? Get that out of the way. I'll get up here and get all this stuff too. Let me get up here. All right, so I'm gonna take this thing and just go full-fledged, try and bog it down. Just cause. All right, you see how thick that one is? About that big, you know. Damn, that's impressive. I ain't even gonna lie, I'm pretty. We'll get these two. Briar's getting me. Nice. Nothing crazy right there. You know, you see how big some of these are. With a top handle, you probably shouldn't be cutting anything really much bigger than that. What was that, about 2 inches in diameter or so? And then, you know, you see right here. But I mean, it left a pretty good clean cut. Nice and powerful. You know, it's just big enough to where you can crawl up in that tree and feel comfortable with it. So that's cool. I think it MSRP's for like 620 bucks for the 14. And then like, I think it's like 610 for the 12. I ain't no arborist, but you know, I'd probably just go ahead and get the 14 just so you got a little more chain and bar on that bad boy. But yeah, dude, that's your T251. I wore the dog shirt on purpose, you know what I mean? I know it's a Mack truck emblem, but we're just gonna act like it's a dog, you know what I mean? So, but yeah, dude, we got it at All In Lawn Equipment, Newton, North Carolina. So, and we also sell Ferris, we sell Walker, we sell Snapper lawnmowers, Shindaiwa handheld equipment. Shindaiwa's the same thing as Echo, same product line, same owner, same warranty, same parts. Just different color, different name. So, and a slightly different part number. So, whatever you need, we got you covered. High volume dealer in terms of all the equipment. Hell, we sell Triple Crown trailers too. We had 2 or 4 of those on the lot like 2 weeks ago, and we done sold 2 of them. So, you know, we're getting them things out there. We're providing good service on the backside, good dealer relationships. Located in Newton, North Carolina. I'll put all the information in the description below. So yeah, that was a T251 Shindaiwa chainsaw. We put her to work, and I was impressed.